Hi, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please press the subscription button and also the like button. And do not forget to press the notification button. And please leave a comment. This video is about how to make money on Skillshare. This channel is about tips and tricks on how to make money online. So let us start this video. To show you 3 ways. This video is about 3 ways how you can make money on Skillshare. Skillshare, it is a platform that you can make money from. Skillshare, I have a subscription at Skillshare. It is where I can the first way that you can make money on Skillshare, it is you can teach the classes on Skillshare. If you are a teacher, or if you have an online course that you have designed, then you can register and then you can upload it on Skillshare. Skillshare have different courses. Maybe you have a course of digital marketing, or you have a course of or you are a web designer, or you are a fashion designer, or you are a blogger, or somebody who's an expert in Pinterest and you have designed the course. Then you can upload that course and then you become now a teacher on Skillshare. So the payment work like this. The more students you have, and then the more you're going to get paid. But you can only upload 1 course per week on Skillshare. If you are a teacher, you must click and then you must say you are a teacher, that you want a course, and you can upload your course on Skillshare. So here you can see how it works, how you can upload your course on Skillshare. The second way that you can make money on Skillshare, it is when you are like me. I subscribe to this. I have a subscription to all these courses. When you are subscribing to this website of Skillshare, then you have access to all the courses, and there are hundreds and hundreds of these courses on Skillshare. So the courses that I was looking at, I'm learning some stuff in my business, was in web design, because I've designed my own website. Digital marketing, I've signed up for a course in Pinterest because I was starting my Pinterest account and how to pin a board. There are so many courses that you can do. Some of the courses are half an hour courses, an hour course. Some courses are up to 3 hours. And each course there are different lessons. Maybe you have a course of half an hour, then there are like 11 short 5-minute lessons or 6-minute lessons in these courses. So it's very informative that you can learn a lot, because I've learned a lot in this course. Maybe you are interested in photography, then they will give you a course, they will take you step by step about photography. Or you are in, like I was signing up for the course of video editing, because I'm doing my own YouTube videos and I edit the videos. So I have the step-by-step process, how to edit a video, what type of software you can use, and it's very informative. And I use that I've used that information and knowledge that I've gained from Skillshare and I put it back into my business. So I started, after I did a course about how to start a blog and how to do blogging. So I started my own blog. I designed my own website. I designed my own website. I did everything myself. And then that is how you learn. This is how I made money. I started my YouTube channel, how to do digital marketing, how to market stuff. All that good stuff, I learned it from Skillshare. As I said, I put subscription to Skillshare. If I just open my computer, and I can, whatever I need, go to Skillshare and educate myself on it. And that is a way that you can make money. You want to start something, you want to do something, you don't have to take this lengthy 3 months courses and on stuff you must do. Go to Skillshare, it's much easier. It worked for me, and I use that knowledge, and that is how I make money. with Skillshare. Your third way that you can make money with Skillshare is when you become part of the affiliate program. I also sign up for that program where I am promoting Skillshare. As some of you know, all of you know, I'm a educator by profession. I've been working for 30 years. So educating, talking to people is good. So I like the program and I promote this program on my socials, because I found I got value from this program. As I said, I was a total beginner. I didn't know anything, but now I know what's going on in web design, how to do WordPress, and all that good stuff that I learned from Skillshare. How to do the internet marketing, I learned it from Skillshare. I'm currently busy with a course of email marketing that I also want to incorporate into my business. So it is how I make money in my business. Taking the courses on Skillshare, apply to my business, and that is how I make money. The third way that I make money, it is with my affiliate program where I promote Skillshare, because I've been using Skillshare on almost every day to get my skills up to standards. So if you like this video, this is a short video. This is the surface of Skillshare. It will take a lot of 1 or 2 extra videos just to get all these things in detail. But if you like this video, please press the like button. And please subscribe to my channel. Guys, please help this channel. And also leave a comment. Please leave a comment so that I can know when I upload what type of videos do you want to watch, and what type of videos are you looking for, and what type of videos do you like. So until next time, bye.